Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and in today's video we are going to unbox this really ultra budget Casio watch. So this one was ordered from Lazada and I got it within 3 days after I made the order. So let me just cut open the packaging here. So this is the first time I've seen a budget Casio being packaged like this. Right, usually for the budget Casios, they would just flatten the retail box and then, wrap the watch in a pouch or something. But, this vendor here, they've really, done a good job in protecting the package. So what do we have inside the package today? And here it is. Ta-da! Alright, so this is the Casio Royale. Alright, so I went crazy a little bit over the weekend and I, put in a really quick order because I just wanted to, give this watch a try. This one, I would say, is one of those legendary budget Casio models. So we've got all the packaging out of the way and I'm really, quite intrigued by the design here. It is like nothing I've ever owned. Alright, so I've got a Nairobi calculator watch, and that one is these days strictly worn by my wife. So I think this will make a really good companion. So reference number for the watch is AE-1200WHD-1AVDF. I don't know why they have a long reference number like that, but I'm just gonna call this one the Casio Royale, and it looks pretty decent for $36, $37. I don't think anyone can complain about anything with that price tag. So let's take a closer look at the Casio Royale 1200 model, and I believe there should be some other versions of this watch, and probably those that come in a plastic strap or black strap or a black coating here. So obviously these watches, they are not stainless steel, they're just plastic watches made to look like they're stainless steel. Okay, so the case here, you can see there's a mold line and on the really low cost bracelet you can see the folds, the folding, or whatever you want to call this. So this is a folded bracelet and there are no attempts to conceal the fact. Okay, and likewise the clasp here is also a very basic, very cheap system, but you can't deny that there's some kind of a charm going on with this model, and that's what makes it so popular. So here's another quick look at the overall build and construction of the watch. Nothing fanciful, everything low cost build, low cost material, folded bracelet, plastic case. I believe the buttons here are metal. I do hope they're metal, and you've got a plastic bezel here. Everything is plastic. I think even the crystal is plastic. So plasticky watch here. Let's see if I can do a really quick reshot to show you. So okay, so alright, typically a zoom in view is not a very good idea for a reshot, but you get the idea. Now these watches, they are not big at all, so if you have a smaller wrist, don't worry about it. These watches, they fit very differently from G-Shocks. They are thinner, smaller, less bulky, so no problems at all, even for the ladies. I'm still not sure what's going on here with the display for the flashing and toggling, so let me just go and read up on the manual. Alright, and in the next few weeks, if I've got time, I'll do a full review and hopefully a comparison video with the Nairobi. So I just had a look at the hang tag over here. It says it's got a 10-year battery life. Very impressive. Okay, I've always said in my videos, 10 years, alright, many things can happen. I seriously don't know if I'm still around 10 years later. So here's a quick comparison between the Casio Royale and the Nairobi. Okay, we've been talking about this one, and I thought I'll just walk over and bring this over to the screen. And wow, I'm actually surprised that the Casio has got a bigger display, right? Bigger digits. Alright, so both watches, they look really quirky. Totally geek watches Alright, just very quirky design. Okay, so stay tuned for the full review of this watch, the Casio Royale. I'll see you soon. Bye.